Good morning, guys. It is exactly 8 o'clock. Amazing. Oh, I just finished rendering the video. So I'm going to upload it. And I'm now preparing my breakfast. And I'm just going to make a scrambled egg. Hard scrambled egg. And it is now already quarter to 11, and I'm going to meet a family. They are staying here in Nelson Bay, and there is no specific time because they are traveling around, so I am just going to meet them wherever they are. And my duty today is 2 o'clock, but I am going out now because I'm also going to the grocery. Okay, so we are back here in the car, and inside I met one viewer. Yeah, shout out to Brian. Hi Brian, thank you for watching. I really appreciate that you approached me. And this is what I bought from the from inside. This ball pen with the 4-color pen, 2 pieces, and 2 notebook. I'm going to give it to the daughter of the family that I am going to meet. And I also bought this. Just one paper bag. And we are now here in the house of Inigo. I'm going to pick him up because I'm going to bring him with the meeting, with the meetup, because it is good to have Inigo when I am going to meet people, because usually Inigo is the one who do the talking. Because I am shy and quiet when I am with the other people. And Inigo is very, what is the word? The good version of talkative.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Kakain.
Yung mura lang bro. Wala tayong pera men. Doon sa Thai restaurant. Ano na ako kita ng ganito to? Turquoise.
Ano yan? Ang turquoise sa Pilipinas.
Para sa Pilipinas. Yan deep blue. Laki na no? Ganyan yung mukhang high school sa Pilipinas.
Ano yung matatanda mong bahay? Matambay sa kanya. Kapati ako. And we are now here in the usual way of my bike.
Bagnas Beach.
We're going to eat here, but actually the table is on that side, and there are some campers here, and the usual ladies, they are not here yet. Usually they gather somewhere around here, but still early, still 12 o'clock. They are usually here by 1 or 2 p.m. Hindi ko ito maubos. Chips.
Dami.
Nasa food court daw sila.
Oo. Dapat in-organize mo. Ano mo, dapat. Pwede mo tayo mag-kita.
Hindi nga ako mag-ganon. Parang pinapost ko.
Pinag-organize lang.
Sa Dubai, walang ganitong puno. Ganyan kalaki. Kahit ganito, wala. Nakabalik nga sa akin sumagi, hindi ko.
Ano ba na? Baka next month pa na. Daw sila lagi
trabaho.
Pero sinasabi niya gusto niya doon kasi puro Silangan ng tao. Kasi pinakamarami Silangan doon sa Melbourne. Nag-google ko yun noon pa Hindi makagal niya lang gusto yun matagal niya lang pinapangarap.
So if you want to see this beautiful view, you will see it along the road. But before you reach the roundabout, you must turn left. We are now here in Salamander Bay Shopping Square. Good morning, guys. Yeah, I'm doing my laundry. I don't have any garlic. The only garlic I have is this garlic powder. So this is what I'm going to put. And I'll just let it reduce. And I'm actually watching the how to cook adobo. Adobo. I'm really hungry now, but it's not yet cooked. Still watery. I want it really dry. I will continue editing this video first. Good morning, guys. Yeah, the time now is 11:30. And as usual, editing a video and some other things on the computer, and also preparing my lunch. And only this much, and I'm actually going to fry an egg on it. Actually, I'm going to eat it all. And this is my meal. This morning I just had a cup of coffee and 2 pieces of bread. I have no specific place of where I am going, but yeah, we're just going to be driving around. We'll be stopping somewhere interesting. Oh, we are here in the Soldier's Point. And I'm going to show you. I mean, I stop here because this is beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, really nice. Oh, this lorry kit. Hello, lorry. Yeah, fly away. Scared. Yeah, we're going closer to the water. Basically, this Soldier's Point is the other end of Port Stephen on the Bay Area. Yeah, the other end is on that side, which is the Fingal Bay. If you see those mountains, yeah, that area is the Fingal Bay. Yeah, it's beautiful here. The same like everywhere around here in Port Stephen. And we are now here in the Roywood Reserve. And I actually been to J-Car and I bought this this is a PowerTech solar panel, basically a charger for my power station, and it cost me $130, including all the cables. If you remember, during my road trip, I always need to stay in a hotel for me to be able to charge my power station. And so next time I don't need to stay in the hotel because I will be able to charge the power station with this solar panel charger. Nice. Yeah, I don't really know how these things works. That's why I went there. I had a little conversation with the salesman. So I think he knows very well about this system. And we are now here in the Salamander Bay Shopping Square. I'm also going to do some groceries. Over 6 o'clock already. That's why, close. The only open is the groceries and the department store. Aldi and Woolworths, Kohl's and Kmart. And I am tempted to get one of this blender. $45. I know the branded, they are very expensive. Over $100. Maybe 500. Okay, I'm decided. I'm going to get one of these. Yeah, Ice Crush Pulse. Because if you remember before, I have this yeah, I have this one, but it's broken already. And they actually have this one, portable USB blender, just $29. This is the one. Yeah, too small. Do you know that here in Australia, every time you are going to check out from the property or from the store, there is usually one guard or one person who check the receipt and check the items. Similar with the Aldi, they're going to ask you to open your backpack or pouch, your bag. Yeah, and it's normal, but of course sometimes they don't check the other people, which is understandable for me. Understandable for me. Yeah, I accept that some people are looks suspicious. So what is important is you are innocent. Yeah, that is how it is. You don't feel bad if you are getting suspected to have something on your backpack. You just need to open it and show that you are innocent. I basically bought this blender because of this. Yeah, I never tried to buy something like this. This smoothie something, and I'm going to do something like that. And it is dark already outside. And today I spent, oh, it's raining a little bit. Yeah, today I spent 130, yeah, almost $200. Yeah, I still didn't eat. Maybe I'm not going to eat in the restaurant anymore, because I also need to go to the grocery to buy groceries. Yeah, and then I will be eating in the house later.